Hi everybody, my name is Kenton DeYoung. This is Kenton DeYoung Travel, and today we are doing part 3 of our Unboxing Canada YouTube series. Like this, because I apparently can't unwrap things very good. Little town on the prairie, apparel, and it's Sask Explorers t-shirt. It's okay. Thank you, Jessica. So in case you haven't heard the news, in February 24th, 2022, Vladimir Putin invaded Ukraine. If you enjoy this video or not, doesn't really matter. If you want to help Ukraine, just like this video. For every like this video gets, I'm also going to donate $1 to go help Ukraine. Another unboxing. Now I promised in the last couple of videos that we'd be doing these boxes that I've had for months, and we're doing them. Finally, we're sitting down and doing them. I have 3 boxes here. We're not doing them all this video. We're gonna do one box first, take a little break, and then we're gonna do the two in a big bonanza episode just to get these boxes done. And once we're done these boxes, we're gonna go do some stuff outside. We're actually gonna go out there and do stuff outside. Not today. Jessica's off camera. We're going outside another time. So
I'm interested to see what colors you pick.
Eyeshadow. This goes under the eye. I don't know. That's where we're gonna put it.
I promised myself I wouldn't tell him. He has to figure out where it goes himself. So this is gonna be interesting. Oh dear Lord.
Oh my god, it's like it's crumbly.
I think you're playing football?
Is that not where you like massage it in, right? Oh.
Just put a different color. It's nice on the skin.
No.
You look like the Texas Chainsaw Massacre. God.
Welcome back to another episode of Kenton DeYoung Travel. My name is Kenton DeYoung, and this is a rapid fire episode just after the last one we did, where we were applying Japanese makeup. I think it was Japanese makeup. Korean, perhaps Japanese, well, doesn't really matter. We applied it, I applied it, Jessica helped a bit, she's off camera, and I think I look great. If you're enjoying this episode, or you're going to enjoy it, please like and subscribe, because I could appreciate it. It's a lot of effort. If you can't tell, I dressed up for this. So here we go. I gotta close this. I'm sorry I opened it first. So open it so you guys can see. All right, are you ready for the first box? It's the lettuce stuff again. I still don't know what it is, but no, it's like popcorn and lettuce.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
Here we went through the candy. We took out the ones we didn't think we were gonna open. We took out the rest. We are. Jessica's here too.
I was making sure you're recording.
Are you recording? I'm recording. It's a little red bag. This is the one that had like the gooey toffee stuff in it, strawberry flavored, from the Valentine's Day box in November. And from February. You celebrate Valentine's Day in November. Who cares? Celebrate whenever you want. Celebrate right now. Say Happy Valentine's Day to someone right now. They'll love it. Happy Valentine's Day. See, doesn't matter. Doesn't matter when you love someone, as long as you love them. Today we're going to go see the Cathedral Village Arts Festival. This is the first time they've done the Arts Festival in the past 2 years because of the pandemic. And as you can see behind me, it's quite busy. This is the first tour I've ever did on with Heritage Regina of Germantown. It is very interesting. Warren James is an amazing individual. It's a great tour. So all these, they are actually all free, all through the summer. They are approximately 90 minutes, all free. You can do a donation. Heritage Regina, they could use the money. They're a great nonprofit organization, but they do good work. So check them out. Go on the walking tours, learn about local history. Summer walking tours, they're free. Be sure to check them out. And today we're getting a package all the way from Nunavut, straight from Iqaluit, Nunavut, all the way on Baffin Island. I'm so excited to see what they sent me. Thank you so much for saying this. So here's a map of Nunavut, and you'll see. I don't know what these are. Perhaps these other sections are maybe like the indigenous like territories of it. I don't know. There's so much to learn about a place I call home, like Canada. I don't know what these places are. I just flew in yesterday, got my room yesterday. It was all pretty brand new to me. I like that. I thought that was really cute. Okay, so here is the main living area right behind me. You'll see we have a nice couch there, a little table. Over there is Jamal's room, separated from the main room. He has his own entrance on the other side of the hallway. And today we are going on a trip to the Amazon rainforest.
She's at the boot gym.
Did he just come up to you?
Yeah. I'll just stand here and not move. That's my pocket. Yes. Hello. Hi.
No.
That is my key to my room in there. You already found that.
No, is he Papa trying to rob you? I'm dead.
Is she in here? I'm not bothered by this little monkey.
No, but if she gets your key, she'll run up a tree and we won't
Yeah, I've seen it in movies.
Today is our second day in the Amazon rainforest. Today we're spending the whole day outside, so I'm wearing my nice thin outdoor floral shirt, and some shorts, which will be a shock for those who know my channel. Usually I wear jeans.
To get closer.
It is the third day in the Amazon today. We just got back from watching the sunrise on the Amazon River. So we just finished up with the Yawa people, which is a traditional tribe here in the Amazon. Today we're at the beach. Actually, we're at like a nature preserve just outside of Caracas on our way to Wakachina. So we took the dune buggy across the sand for about 45 minutes, maybe half an hour. We arrived at one of the 3 remaining oases in Peru. One is Wakachina, but this one, there's another one about an hour away. We took this thing, which I'm not sure would be approved by SGI.
Diaz. My name is Kenton DeYoung. This is Kenton DeYoung Travel, and today we are going on a boat ride out into the ocean to see some islands and see some birds and other wildlife. So we just did our first sandboarding up the hill. You can see we came all the way from up there, all the way down on just this little board here. It was terrifying, but it's actually pretty safe.
You can see I got the absolutely smallest place that I could find. And I'm stuck in here because I have to quarantine.
We are on our way to Machu Picchu. So we made it to Machu Picchu. You can see it right behind me. I took lots of video of it already. That's Hannah. I don't know where we're going to go next. I saw some llamas down there, so maybe we're going to go see those, or alpacas or something, but it's everything I thought it would be, and I'm glad we didn't have to do the whole hike to get here. Good morning, everybody. I don't know where we ended the last video. I think it was we'd gotten to Machu Picchu, we were wrapping up, and then we were going to go descending. Unfortunately, my camera had died, so I never really got to end off that video, so I'm not going to make a new one. So I'm gonna carry on. So today, new day, we're at this really nice hotel out. I can't say the name of it yet. I'll put it on the screen. We're not that far away from there. we're right in the mountains. It's absolutely beautiful around me. The weather's beautiful, the sun's up. That's a nice day. But the reason I'm out here filming and not inside is because of this. Good morning, guys. I think this is the closest we're gonna get because I think they're still technically wild animals. But they're very cute and they're sitting there just living their best alpaca life, which is pretty easy when you live somewhere like this. This morning we are on our way to the Rainbow Mountains. So it's going to be a nice walk. It's a little bit chilly. Is it a little bit chilly?
Yes, it is.
Jamal said.
A little bit.
Jamal
Chilly
thinks it's a
enough
little
for
bit
gloves.
chilly. I'm okay, but some of them are pretty cold. So, oh, apparently it's a lot chilly. So we'll see how it goes when we get to the top. So I made it. Right now, wasn't pretty. Wish you can stop 1 and 2. Got a nosebleed? I can still tell, maybe not, I don't know. Thankfully one of the guides helped me out. The view is incredible. I mean, there's some alpacas. They're very cute. Over here, there's a glacier. Over here, where is it? Rainbow Mountain, one of the many. It was a tough climb. Today we're doing a tour of a cemetery in Lima. Oh, so we just wrapped up the tour of the cemetery, and it was really interesting. We learned a lot about history, about Peru's history, Peru's culture. There's some fireworks going on behind me here. And we got to learn about this area of the cemetery, which is supposed to be cursed and haunted, where there's children that were that died before they were baptized, and they supposedly became elves. And the guards in that area of the cemetery could often hear elves playing in the fig trees that used to be there. It's just a really cool area to explore. I think we're loading on the bus now, but I hope I record enough of it that we learned so much and saw so much. I highly recommend going on this tour. I think this is the end of my Peru vlog series. So as always, thank you for following me. Sources of rush, we're going on the bus now. My name is Kenton Young. This has been Kenton Young Travel, and I'll see you next time, which is probably going to be back up in Canada. Gotta go. Bye, guys.